Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's see which bets we can stake on today, that is on 19 January 2021. As you can see, we have main draw matches from Challenger tournament in Istanbul for men. There are lots of attractive bets here, specifically Menezes versus Galan. Galan doesn't have a good record indoors while Menezes has qualified, so he can pull that off as well. Second one here is which I am kind of on the fence about is between, where is that match? The match at I, a women 25k tournament in Fujairah between Murdeza and Snigo. Murdeza has been playing some decent tennis on hardcore while Snigur has been struggling. So 2.70 is 8 is an extremely generous, or if you have some spare money you can stake that. Also Muramatsu versus Han. I'm not really sure that Muramatsu should be so much underdog in that match. And one thing, Gerlach versus Wang Xinyu, that could also get interesting. Another match which I am kind of looking for is between Lu Zhe and Chavalinska. Lu Zhe just lost out in qualifying of Australian Open tournament in the final round. She beat some decent player, while Chavalinska has not shown anything on hard court prior to this week. So this could also be an interesting bet, but I have decided not to go for it because we are already in minus units. I want to build up some profit, then we can take calculated risk. Hence, I have come up with two bets, as you can see on my Twitter uh, account. If you have not following me on Twitter, as well as you have not joined my Telegram channel, then you can find all the links in the description box. Let's see what happens. Bonzi to beat Rola. It looks though Rola has a good record against Bonzi, but Bonzi has been playing good tennis indoors, and Rola doesn't play well indoors. Andreeva and Rinderknech should win, but we don't know. There is no guarantee in betting. Anyone can lose at any particular point. So hence we are consistently betting one unit. We are not increasing our unit size. Although sometime if you increase your unit size, you can get lucky and you can win that bet. But if you lose on the flip side, then you will be depressed and you will be upset with yourself that why did you bet so much money. So if you are consistent with your unit system, then you can build on that and you can slowly earn decent amount of income on monthly basis, and that's the goal. It's not to earn $1 million. That you can do, but you have to stake more money and there is a chance of losing that stake as well. Thank you for watching.